Right then, shall we continue on? Here is our app as of now. We can add in nodes and blocks, which are functionally the same thing. Oh, right. I still need to make sure these change color properly. They're not supposed to be the same thing, but right now they are the same thing. Right. And I need to add in a way to change color over here. And a way to add in pictures. I think I want to try using the native dialogue first time. And I think that hides between qtlabs.platform maybe? File. Perfect. All open. Oh, that looks very, very easy. And then the current file or current files properties can be used to determine the currently selected files in the dialog. The file and files property is only updated after the final selection has been made by accepting the dialog. Well, that looks very easy then. Just need to call file dialog.open. Cool. Yeah, well, let's make the color stuff first. Let's see, color. Right, here we need to import, through that file dialog. We need to import the text class in here as well. Then this should become text dot uh does this work? Hmm. Oh, I can do this probably. Proper. Let's just make sure this. Oh, yeah. Let's make sure it's no issue. I want this to be a text dot tech class, and then tech, and that should default to. I guess I need a new function in here then. Get tech function. Which I mean, it'll be very similar to the check tech function. So get check, it will take the name, it will go through this here. But rather than saying that lever is true, wait, let's just say lever is Heck. And then it will still return lever. And here, just do this. And it will default to nothing. Here, we'll then say text dot get tech name. And so this color here should then be tech dot color. Let's see if that all works. If I then do copper, no. Text is neither a type nor namespace. But my class is indeed called tech. Oh wait, right. Var should work. Variants can also be a JavaScript object, I believe. Cannot read color of undefined. What if we do this? Then say copper. Cannot get color of undefined. Okay, let's default this to false. But then say cannot get name of boolean. Cannot assign identified to hue color. I mean, no need to do this whole part from this one. I just want to return tech. Copper. Right, hold on. Is this maybe a timing issue? Let's say copper. First one doesn't work, but the second one still doesn't work. Even though now Copper should definitely be registered. With a color. Yeah, what if we do unidentified or that's identified and then just white. If unidentified, then it will say white. If not, it will do the color. Unidentified is not defined. Oh, I meant to say undefined. Will it now say undefined is not defined? Copper turns white. Copper turns white. Iron turns white. How about I do a... How can I do an uncompleted instead here? No. Name changed? No, it will be on text changed. I want to console.log this. Then this dot color. Copper. Okay, just do that then. No errors. You. Well undefined. Let's do a console.log hit. So we've heard them. Copper. Ah, hits never happened. It's just hit never happened even if we do it multiple times. Hmm. The name is the wrong right. Copper. Okay. Let's bring that back in. Copper. Iron. Hmm. Log here. Copper. Okay, so it first goes through. So okay, so it goes through twice. Yet for some reason never triggers this. Copper. Iron. Oh. So for some reason over here text never goes up. Copper. Iron. But over there it does. What happens if we just do this? Copper. Iron. Still works there, but not here. Now, why is that? Hmm. Yeah, no, really. Why do you not see the full size of the array over there? Over here, I mean. Or there we do. Is there a difference between calling it over here and calling it in block? Mm, yeah, what if we do this again? Saying tech and tech.color. Here we'll have a property tech. Property var tech. That one will come after type. What am I trying to do again? Alright, wherever we make the actual classes. Which would be over here. No, yeah, that's where we make the classes, but not where we make the blocks. Let's say board. Oh, here. Yeah, block type. So back here. No, back here we will need that. Then tech. Here we will do the thing. Tech dot get no text dot get tech text. Copper. Copper. Okay, now this is interesting. Because now the second time we tried, we got a here with the proper list, and we even got a hit. Hit, and then tech dot color. Copper. Copper. Chocolate. So it does return chocolate. Is there some sort of copy thing here? Copper. Copper. The copy of an object is not a function. Oh. Is this a thing? Oh, I accidentally ran with the debugger. You stop the debugger. Okay. Copper. Copper. Copy not defined. That makes things a bit difficult. Yeah, let's try this then. Type color. Color. T color. T color. I'll just say T color. And over here. Color. No. T color. Does this work maybe? Right, now so what I really want to say is text dot text. Is it possible to search by names in JavaScript? Or do I need to do this by index? Copper. Okay, so then select the string. Generic. Copper. Console.log. Ah, tiny ship. Because right now I'm really checking if it has the color when I set the color right there. Let's say make the class and then do the whole new object part. Still doesn't work though. Console.log. Yeah, first I want to say text dot text. Does that return a proper object? Copper. I'm having a bit too many. I'm having too many debugging places, so it becomes a bit difficult. Okay, so that is the one. Hmm. Okay, so there it finds an object. And I should be able to find the color of this object, right? Yes. Okay, so now what happens when I do this? This then should be tech first. Oh, control. No, I was doing control X, not control Z. That's why it didn't work. There we go. Now that is finally colored copper. But let's see. I would like to bring all the information over, so let's try this whole tech part again. Var tech. This should then be tech.color. Copper. Hmm. Log object. Tech.color. Lock and define. So yeah. These have separate instances of this. So passing full classes or objects through does not work. Well, I guess we'll just do string color red. Also, this color here, I still want to just be white, because it's really this which I want. Oh, well, that is already a property. Color. Not color. But I see. So the import statement creates another class. Then I'm curious about something else. If I could maybe bring this whole class into the block by not importing it here. Then now I brought the entirety of text in through here as the property var t. Does that mean I can then do t name? No, that we already confirmed. T dot get tech name dot color. Copper. No. Get tech of objects is not a function. You know, I give up on that part then. Let's say it there. Is everything normal now? Copper. Iron. There we go. Now I just need to be able to update the color in here. And also that affects everything over here. I guess I'll add in like saving logic into the screen swapping. That will just automatically save changes on page. Right then. That means I have to head to the bottom here. But this component sit here. Yeah, I will be changing a bit here. Wait, how long have I been recording for? 40 minutes. Okay, yeah. No, eh? I want a row layout. Adjust anchors dot fill parent. Let in the text there. We'll add in a blue rectangle there for testing purposes. Width. Right. Layout. Let's fill the height true. Layout dot fill with true. Color blue. Oh no, debugging. Just run normally. Faster to debug that way. Yeah. Starts with copper. Then with the color, which takes the rest of the thing. I would have said this is root dot width. No. Width, or rather implicit width is root dot width divided by 6. Compare. That will just take apart. Nice, nice. Alright, but how it was right there, do things line up no matter what text? No. Do you have it here? No. Let's see, if I start to put in a implicit with of root dot width divided by 3 in here. That's a read only in this case. Let's do then just with. Ah! Oh. Root divided by 3. Root dot width divided by 3. Copper. Iron. Hmm. Steel. 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 Okay. Perfect. I want to have something else for this as well. What happens in the case where you press it all the way to the edge? Do these implicit widths change? Yeah. First time properly testing out the scrolling as well. Almost there. Every E mattered so much over here. The impact of each E is decreasing. And yes, it takes off the implicit width. Limit is reached. This looks weird. Obstructing it was always just after a window after all. What happens if I don't mention any width? Better? Iron. Yeah. Oh, what if I... Uh, column... Rows... Okay. Grid layout. Rows... 6. Column... Wait, no, other way around. 6 columns, 1 row. And then this here has a column span. Okay. Isn't that a given property? Column row. Huh? Originally. Hmm. Was using another one. Hmm. Um. Hot. Turn layout. Row layout. Oh, I didn't mess with the layout dot preferred width is root dot width divided by 3. And here 6. Aha! Now it all lines up. Also, let's get rid of some get tech printings. Hmm. Now the question is, what happens if the text gets smaller? Ah, I can see the difference already here. Good. Uh, see, I want the anchors dot margins to be over here then. That way that text stops colliding. And that x5 doesn't really work anymore. I do actually want a field over here. With the proper border. So border dot color black. Border dot width 2. And then in here I want to have a text input. This is where you change the color. So the default text here should be FF0000. Let's give, oh right. Wasn't that one of those that for some reason did not like all of those? Yeah, I didn't like font size mode, the most important one. I guess we then just do Pixels, font.pixel size is parent.height times 0.8. And max image length. Let's do 20. As here they'll also be able to do stuff like black, dark gray, all of that stuff. It's also writable in there. Let's see, how does that look? Wouldn't call it perfect. But I may call it close to good enough. After all, I really want to get on with the project. So clip equals true does not work for here. Let's see, for if greater than 8, I want this to be lower. Let's see, text dot length is greater than 7. Then I want the size to be half as big. Alright, that's not the right place. Then I want it to be, but I guess half was a bit rough. Let's do 4. Close to F. Upper. So now if I really wish to, and write something long, just cancel exit. Wrap mode, text dot wrap annual. See. Mm. Hmm. Anchors dot fill parent. Will that change anything? Yes. In that case, we can add 6 more to the limit. I think O is the widest character they can type. Perfect. Now if I then do Fuchsia. Oh, we still haven't made any code to update. how will we do that now? Because then I have to propagate through a list view. I remember that to be quite a pain. Getting in and out of item managers with recreatable items that not be very unique. It's very, very difficult. I remember having to do doing so many roundabouts to get it right, get it to work. Um, but here we have a proper model. So model.name. And here we have access to the proper text class. So if we do text.update name, text.update color name. That's it. Function update color name. Yet another function taking in the name. Because, yeah, I don't think this model is passing through the actual object. Right, no, it must be. Well, actually, let's find out then. Let's just get rid of that function. What happens if that unaccepted model dot name, no, model dot color equals text? Will it update the main class, or will it update its own list view copy or list model copy of the class? It updates the main class. So now, if I add another copper to the board here, association also changes. I haven't not made any code when it comes to updating those. So that's something I have to do as well. I think that's why those aren't changing. But by the fact that this here is changing alone, shows that this system, I think, does work. I think it changes the actual thing. Well, let's do another reassurance. Then let's do switch screens. I want to do a loop for tech of text dot text. I want to console dot log tech dot name plus space plus tech dot color. Copper. And go here. Invalid right to global property tech. Const tech. Copper. Then I switch screens. It says copper is chocolate. Viral. Oh, because I there. And if I for some reason choose to make this magenta, then switch screens. It says iron is still red. I've turned all of those red. But yeah. Well, yeah, it is as I first expected. This list model here, now updated, I pass through classes. But, it does not put the actual class over. It makes a copy of the class. So any changes I make to the class itself in here are only local. Which is why I need to make a thing here. Thinking about it, I can make it more global than just update color. Here I'll do update, we'll put the name, function, or name, property, oh, name, prop, value. So here first I want to say that tech, let tech, okay, for security reasons, let's do var tech. It will be the get tech. Oh, the name. And the double check, let's do console.log double check tech plus tech plus tech dot color. Okay, so here we have a double check that this actually gets the tech and not unidentified. Because I mean, this is in the file over here itself, not a part of main. So yeah, let's test out the function. Text dot update Name is model.name. The property will be color. The value will be text. Now I don't think anything proper will actually happen. I just want to see it pass through the double check. And yes, it got the right thing. But then what happens if I do tech.pro? And fine. So I guess what I would have to want to do here is a whole bunch of if clauses. Or a switch statement. Switch prop case case is color. Then tech.color equals value. Break. Pressing enter now does nothing. Yeah. Console.log recheck. Well, yeah, here we can just do tech.color. Console.log post check tech.color. Yeah, so it's changed. We then do this. It will change from that to that. So now the issue is that neither of these will actually update following the JavaScript class. But the JavaScript class itself is now updating. So the complete opposite problem from before. That's good. So this whole update function works. We have now back propagated the change. Now I just need to refresh these two. Batch again, guess. we can do... well... Hmm. Come to think of it, how would I come to be able to refresh these? Because there is no way to refresh there's something called children change. There is. I can say board.children changed. Okay, just after this clause, board.children changed and association lists. View.model changed. Copper. Should now become red. Go to board. It's did not change any of these. Hmm. Model. But how do I even update the model so far? Oh, when I populate. So in other words, I should just do the whole populate function. That should refresh. Copper. We change the color to red. Go to board. Go to associations. And now it follows. Perfect. So whenever I repopulate, changes. So it won't change right away. But that could easily be fixed by doing a repopulate after update thing. Have iron again, become red, become blue, or magenta, become blue. Those are permanent or proper full changes. Yes. Only big issue is how would I do the same for this? For that, I really have no clue. Is there a way to loop over children? First of all, children is a list of items. So if I make a function here called update. Let's do just this for now. Update C takes in color for no conflict, and then sets color to be law. So over here I then want a loop for child of board.children for a constant child of board.children. I want to update the colors of that child. What did I call the function? Yeah. Update C. And then let's just update it all to green for proof of concept. When I go back to board, it becomes green. Perfect. Now, if only there was the way to update the whole thing rather than having to do. I guess I'll just have to do it like this. Name should stay constant. So update should take a color. Yeah, cannot say color because that will cause conflict. So let's just say C for color. And this T property is no longer needed. And right now we don't update anything else. There are no other properties to care about. There we just have a general update function. And then over here, say text dot get tech child dot name dot color. Let's do steel. Associations. I want steel to be magenta. Board. It's magenta now. Nice. Perfect. That all works now. I was really thinking I would be able to accomplish more during this episode. But this whole thing just took so much more so much more brain power. so much more everything to make sure this all worked. But now it does. Very nice. So now I can just go ahead and add everything I want. It's copper. We want iron. No, I accidentally did here. Here and still have different colors. Perfect. Cool. Let's add in some gold. Which should be gold. Oh, so forced actively focus does not work with this. Circuit board. It should be 00FF00. How about lawn green? How about forest green? And of course, I now also want to just double check that adding multiple of the same name doesn't matter. Circuit boards are actually blue. Yeah, updates everything in the class. Perfect. But yes, now we have the proper formula for when you get images as well. Now we have proper propagation and updating happening live between these things. Very nice. Okay, I want that to be forest green again. And so if anyone wondered where ever the thumbnail came from, this here is probably it. We will do, I guess, something like this for the thumbnail. Analyzed. That was it for this episode. Hope to see you all in the next episode. Goodbye.